tunnel ventilation control system provides the operators with a map of the network so they can see where the trains are, whether they've stopped and which ventilation sections they're in. The interface is very similar to the one provided by the signalling system, so they'll recognise what they're seeing.
You need tunnel ventilation to control the atmosphere in the tunnel for the safety of passengers and maintenance staff. This is currently being employed on the new Elizabeth line, which is running across London. We do this with large axial fans which are located within shafts along the network, so we can control the flow and velocity of air in each section of the tunnel depending on the operational requirements at the time. To control all of this, we need quite a sophisticated control system to ensure that we are in the right operational mode for the circumstances that are occurring at the time.
AIS are ideally placed to deliver tunnel ventilation control systems because of their deep understanding of the requirements from a safety side of things, their understanding of the robust design and testing that's required for tunnel ventilation control systems. Siemens also have a lot of confidence in AIS because we've worked with them for a number of years. They've successfully delivered projects in collaboration with Siemens. And when we're looking at this type of project, what we want is a specialist integrator that we can really rely on to deliver a robust system to meet the requirements of the customer.
Railway controllers operate the tunnel ventilation system as one of the many systems that they use to control the railway. They are responsible both for the normal operations but also emergency operations as well.
During normal operations, there's no need for forced ventilation. The trains create enough of a draft over themselves as they go through the tunnel to keep the air conditioning exchanger units working and the passengers comfortable.
If trains stop inside a tunnel for longer than a few minutes, temperatures inside the train can rise quickly because there's no longer any airflow over the carriage. When this happens, the tunnel ventilation control system automatically switches on the required fans to provide cooling.
In the unlikely event of an emergency in a train, in a tunnel, the controller will be in communication with the train driver and can select the zone of the emergency and then ventilate to allow safe evacuation of the passengers.
We've chosen Siemens because their products provide us with the platform on which we can develop and we can integrate this type of system. Importantly, they're safety-related products, importantly, they're robust, and importantly, we have the backup from Siemens that we require. So it really wasn't that hard when we came to Crossrail to actually choose Siemens and to work with them. In fact, the project has been very much a teaming relationship between AIS and Siemens.
Siemens Win CC open architecture is ideal for tunnel ventilation systems because it plays to the core strength that we have within the Simatic product portfolio. We have a number of global applications that we've already deployed within rail applications and metros, and we have a very, very strong offering in tunnel ventilation control systems.
For the Elizabeth line, the tunnel ventilation system is going to be SIL Level 2 approved. That's a standard safety rating. Win CC OA is the ideal product for this because it's safety rated itself. But not only that, it's scalable, it can be distributed across all of the different stations that we require, and it has a very strong user interface capability, which is key to the operators.